So we're going to remove this door panel from a Tesla Model 3. We have 3 screws. One is behind this reflector, one is underneath the armrest, and one is back behind the switch. So we'll start with the reflector over here. You want to use a pry tool to just pop it off. And then behind it is a Torx 30. We'll just unscrew it. Under the armrest, we have another Torx 30. There we go. And then up here, you want to use your tool again, pop off this plastic cover. And then we have another Torx 30. Now behind the door panel we have 9 plastic clips. They're up in this area, over here, down here, and over here. And they are pretty strong and they are pretty hard to remove. So I'm going to use another pry tool. This one I put some felt tape on so I can make sure I don't scratch the paint. Just get it underneath and give it a pop open there. Alright, and so now I'm just going to roll the window down, get it out of the way, and then just lift up. And it'll fold out of the way. From here, if you want to completely take the door off, you have this insulating pad that you can pull out. And then behind it, you have your connector for the puddle light. You have this cable for the door release. And you have a few other connectors here that all need to come off to completely remove the panel. All right, to reinstall the door panel, we're going to get this back in its spot. You want to make sure that all of your clips are where they go and that there's nothing in the way. Here's one of the clips that they can get stuck in the door rather than in the door panel. So you want to make sure that you remove it from the door and put it back where it goes. There we go. And then to put the panel on, it helps if you remove the tweeter here and just let it sit to the side. And then you want this to get on the lip where it rides. And make sure that's in place. And then make sure that this clip is going into its hole. So you want to slide the door panel until that pin is going in its hole. And now you want to make sure this piece goes over and hangs on to that. You push it in. And now we want to put all the pins back in. So we'll start up here. We know we have them up here. And then down here. And then up there. So it should be pretty solid at this point. Now the screws go back in. And then the cover goes back on. And then this screw. And then finally this reflector, and it does have an up mark on it. So up. So that's it. If you like these videos, like and subscribe, and leave your video request in the comments.